Girlfriend, if you're in your 30s, your beauty routine doesn't need more products. It needs standards. I've been moving from a place of intention in all areas of my life, not just in my career or my interpersonal relationships or as a mother, but also in my beauty routine and wellness and the way that I take care of myself. I feel like it's so important, especially as we're getting older, especially as we're finding ourselves to really consider the things that matter as opposed to just doing everything, hopping on every trend, and not necessarily standing firmly in our own identity. There have to be some things that we live by that are essentially non negotiables when it comes to making sure that we look good and feel good. First is that your face can't be the only thing that ages gracefully. What we don't realize is that a lot of these skincare products aren't just made for this part of our face, they're actually made for our face, our neck, and this skin area up here, but we're only using it for our face. So we're not necessarily getting all of the benefits. So something that I've committed to lately is making sure that I am utilizing my skincare products, not just on my face, but everywhere else below the neck. And then when it comes to body care as a whole, I'm making sure that I'm actually investing in really quality body butters, lotions, things that are nurturing my skin, but also taking care of the way that my skin looks and feels overall. I mean, the only thing that's annoying is that your skincare products might run out a little bit faster these days, but it's actually for good reason. Your neck, your hands, those areas that we don't necessarily think about are the ones that really give away how we're taking care of ourselves. Now, the next beauty non-negotiable is something that teeters on the line of wellness, but I feel like it plays such a strong role in beauty overall, and people really take it for granted, and that's moving your body. And I'm not talking about weight loss. I'm talking about moving your body so that you can feel more confident and energized. Confidence is something that really enhances your beauty look. Having energy and not looking and feeling sluggish, that's going to make you radiate and glow from within. I have started to move my body by playing padel twice a week, and I was running for a bit, but it's too cold right now. I will get back into running when the springtime comes, but I'm playing padel. I'm back in the gym lifting weights because I really want to get toned, and I've started to feel my confidence coming back as a mother and as a woman overall. And I definitely feel that that has played a big role in the way that I'm carrying myself. I'm not walking with my shoulders hunched over. I'm not moaning and groaning, climbing up the stairs all the time. I feel like I look better in my clothes. And I think that energy is what's really helping me to radiate and glow even more. And we take movement for granted. We think, okay, I just want to move so I can lose X amount of pounds. But when you get moving and when you start to take care of yourself and you sweat out all of those toxic things, you really start to glow. And that, my friends, is the secret sauce, whether you have on makeup or not. That glow is what really matters. Now, the next non-negotiable has levels to it. And I think as mature women, indulging in specific wellness and beauty treatments should be second nature for us. I say that there are levels to it because you can either do something low level, like a facial, getting a regular wax or a manicure pedicure, or you can also take it to a higher level where you're getting filler, Botox, a lip flip, you're doing a lymphatic drainage. Those are the things that used to be taboo, but I feel like society has begun to really normalize taking care of yourself and doing things before you actually need them. That way you can really preserve your youth and your beauty along the way. So I have dabbled in filler. I've also gotten my eyebrows microbladed. I get waxes on a regular basis. I get a manicure and pedicure every month. And these things, I used to actually get lash extensions. I'm pausing on lash extensions right now, but I will be back at some point. These things for me, these treatments or tweakments help me to stay low maintenance. I'm a firm believer in doing high maintenance treatments so that you can have a low maintenance day to day. Because of the fact that my eyebrows are microbladed, I just get up in the morning, put on a brow gel, and go on about my day. And I have a flawless skincare routine. My brows look full and beautiful. I really don't need makeup on a day-to-day basis. I just enjoy wearing it. And don't let me add some lash extensions to the mix, then I really don't need any makeup on that day. Obviously, microblading, I had to do 2 treatments of that. It was a little bit pricey. That can be seen as something that is high maintenance. but in the grand scheme of things, I got my eyebrows microbladed almost 5 years ago, and my eyebrows are still kicking. Okay. I didn't use any pencil to fill these in. I just used a clear gel to make sure that my brow hairs were standing up. And when it came to filler, it helped me to feel more confident without my makeup on because I didn't have those big, deep creases under my eyes anymore. And I could just, again, get up and go. Same thing with having your nails done or getting lymphatic drainage right before a big event, and you have to wear something that's like backless or with a high slit or something that might have like a crop on it, and you're feeling your best in that moment. I say do a treatment within your boundary, your comfort level, and what makes you feel most confident. And from there, stick to it, add it to your routine so that you can be low maintenance on a regular basis. Low maintenance and fabulous on a regular basis. Now, the next non-negotiable is something that should go without saying, but I have been a culprit of not doing this, and I am going to stop, especially since I got a comment recently that put me on blast, and I was like, oh, I need to get it together. And that is washing your makeup brushes regularly. I am so notorious for using my makeup brush for like literally like over a month, like months, and not washing it. And then finally being like, okay, I guess I need to wash it now. And that's not good. We should be washing our makeup brushes very, very often. I would say like once a week. That way your skincare routine isn't in vain and you're putting dirty makeup on your face or a dirty brush on your face every single day. Same with changing out your pillowcase very often. Now that I do that on a regular basis, but those two things are super important and really take a toll on your skin over time. Just add that to the routine. If you don't take away anything else from this list, wash your makeup brushes. Your smile is a big part of your beauty routine. Your smile is the first thing that people see when they meet you. And it says a lot about how much you care about yourself as well. Taking care of your teeth, your breath, making sure that you are tending to your oral health on a regular basis. So making sure that you're flossing every single day, brushing twice a day, utilizing mouthwash. A nice pearly white smile just enhances the look of lip gloss and lipstick every single time. Now, the next one is going to be a hard non-negotiable for me because I am a new mom, but it's something that I am still keeping very, very near and dear to my heart, and you should too, and that is sleep. No product, no eye cream, no eye mask, no amount of filler is going to help someone who is chronically exhausted. Getting the necessary amount of sleep every single night is so imperative, again, to bringing out that inner glow and helping you to just have so much more energy and radiance on a regular basis. Get some sleep, girlfriend. I know it can be hard. I know you have a lot on your mind. I know you want to scroll on Instagram, but I promise you, sleep is going to do way more for you in the long run. So those are the 2026 beauty non-negotiables for fabulous women, especially if you're over the age of 30. And I hope they resonated with you. These are the things that are going to help us to live a more intentional and beautiful life inside and out. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up button to let me know that you like this video. And I can't wait to chat with you again next time.